All right, we need to determine whether the triangle with each set of side lengths is a right triangle or not a right triangle. And then you have to move the answer to the correct box, okay? So in order to do this, hopefully Pythagorean theorem springs to mind. And you got to know a couple of things about Pythagorean theorem in order to do this. So let's look at the first one. The 6, 8, 9. So the hypotenuse is always your longest side. Okay, so and that's always going to be C in your Pythagorean theorem. Let me write that out. So it's just a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay, so C is always your longest side. It doesn't matter which ones you label A and B. Okay, so let's just go ahead and solve this. So I like to write the equation out. So a squared is 36, b squared is 64, and c squared is 81. And 64 and 36 is 100. Okay, and 100 does not equal 81. Okay, so this is not a right triangle, so we're going to say not, and I'll let you fill in the rest. Okay, all right, the next one is let me choose another color here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to just label these again, A, B, and C. C is my largest number. That's the most important one to get right. So we have 10 squared plus 24 squared is equal to 26 squared. So 10 squared is 100. 24 squared is 24 times 24, 9. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 576. And what was that? 24 squared? I think I said 26, but anyway, hopefully you're doing what I'm doing, not what I'm saying. 2 times 6 is 12, 34, 15, 12, 5, 6, 7, 6. So this is 676, and this adds up to 676. I wrote 7, but that should be a 6. So this is true. So that means this is a right triangle, yes. Okay, then we got one more, 24. I'm going to again label these. Let me choose another color. Let's do a dark green. So this will be A, B, and C, because C is the largest side. I'm going to rewrite the equation. I do this every time just to make sure I don't miss anything. So we're going to have 24 squared plus 45 squared is equal to 51 squared. Okay, and 24 squared we just worked out is 576. Looks like a 0. 576 plus 45 squared is, drum roll, 22, 0, 0, 2, 16, 18. So that's 5 to 20, 25. And then 51 squared is 1, 5, 5, 25, 1, 6, 2601. And now I need to add these two together. And 576, that's 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's 6, and that's a 2601. Perfect. So 2601 is equal to 2601. That 2 is a right triangle. Okay? That's all you have to do to figure it out. And if you have a calculator, it may go a little bit quicker. All right? I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.